Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO. Today I'm excited to be sharing with you 17 Ashbury. This is unit number 4. What a beautiful building this is. This is catty corner of Hemway, Ashbury, and Fulton right here. And then just up the street, just a couple of blocks, is USF. Just opposite direction, there's Target, Trader Joe's, Lucky's, all kinds of stores. So let's go in without further ado. Okay, here we are at the entryway. This is a walk up, so let's go up the stairs, 2 flights up. All right, here we are, unit number 4. All right, so one of the first things you'll notice with this property is the amount of natural light that is just streaming into it. This is late in the afternoon, and there's still an abundance of light coming in. One thing I want to note, these are all motorized blinds, Hunter Douglas, and those are double pane windows, so super luxurious. As you can see, there's French doors here. So this is a main living room, very spacious floor plan, looks out toward the neighborhood. And then over here is what we're classifying as a 2-bedroom because there is a closet. Again, lots of light in here, but this could also be easily used as an office or as a dining room. Here we have a big giant closet for your enjoyment. This is a extra wide door, and it has a light. You know, as you're shopping for properties in San Francisco, don't discredit that need because a lot of closets don't have lights, but in this property, they all do. Now, there's window treatments here that you can also utilize if you want to have more privacy for that room, or you can take those off. Let's turn around. And here we are in the kind of the eating area of the kitchen. Of course, this goes out onto the landing there. Lots of cabinet space, stainless appliances, gas range, deep sink, garbage disposal, and of course, more Hunter Douglas blinds again. Bosch and Fisher Paykel, all top of the line appliances, and if I didn't mention it, dishwasher. So what's super nice is the under-the-counter lighting and all the electrical outlet. So I don't know if you're like me, but you have your blender, you have your food processor, all these things you can power up here to your heart's content. Again, and this is a pretty sizable space. Right here, you can easily put a little round table and then have that as an eating area. Let's go into the bathroom first before we go to the bedroom. First, we'll stop at the laundry. Here, stackable laundry machines, which is super convenient, especially during COVID, so that you don't have to go anywhere. And then here's a lovely bathroom. Some of these bulbs are out. Again, the tenant just moved out, so these things, owner's intent, lovely owner, by the way, is very intent on making everything right before you move in. So that's all work in progress, but that will be getting done because I saw the list. Here is the proper bedroom. Again, two closet areas. So again, lots of sun coming in, gorgeous floors. This is closet number 1. And again, lights. Turned on all the lights here. You can see, and then closet number 2. Just an abundance of closets for your enjoyment. Picture rail molding on the top so you can hang things, which makes it super convenient. And it's the best stuff for San Francisco's earthquakes. So anyway, after this, I'm going to go back into the living room, but we're going to visit the garage area. Let us know. Again, this property is so nicely located. It's right down the street from USF. You have Lucky's, you have Target, City Target, and you have multiple other stores, Trader Joe's, all within walking distance from here, making this super convenient for everyone. All right, so again, it's been a pleasure. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll look forward to touring you. Look for the information below for the touring schedules and more information, and we look forward to seeing you here. All right, cheers, bye-bye. All right, to conclude our tour, I want to go into the garage. You can see it's a keypad access, and it's a huge space. These personal items will be moved, and then of course your storage area is right there. I don't have the key right now, but that's a very large space for your enjoyment. And yeah, let the agent know if you are interested in the garage space. Preferences given to applicants who take both the space and the unit. All right, thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.